Friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is AI App of the Day series, and in today's episode, we are reviewing Midjourney. Let's get started. If you are looking for an AI app to generate videos quickly, look no further. Midjourney is your answer. Remember, an AI app a day to power your today. Alright, so what exactly is Midjourney AI? Midjourney is an AI program and service that generates videos from natural language descriptions, also known as prompts. Simple. You provide a text description of what video you want to generate, and Midjourney would generate that for you. It's renowned for its ability to produce highly artistic and visually captivating videos. What are some of the key features of Midjourney? It provides text to video generation, which means you provide the simple text descriptions and it would generate unique, high quality videos for you. It allows you to remix and do variations. That means you can generate multiple variations of a video in different styles and compositions. It provides you with advanced prompting. That means you can use parameters, weights to fine tune the output. Upscaling. That means you can enhance the resolution of your video and details of your favorite generations. What are some of the pros of Midjourney? It provides you highly artistic quality work. It has an active community, which means there are a lot of prompts that are shared online by the community and the vibrant users. It helps you with rapid development. That means whatever new releases, new features are added, they are already improving the underlying model. It's pretty easy to get started. Anybody with simple basic text prompts can start generating videos. You don't have to install anything locally, it's all run on the cloud. What are some of the cons of Midjourney? It's a subscription only, that means no free tier, you need to purchase credits. When you are generating large number of videos, you might experience some kind of slowness, queue times, and there is limited control. Pricing, the pricing starts at $10 for Midjourney but if you are a marketer or a serious content creator, you might want to explore that option. The website is midjourney.com. Let's explore that as well. So here you can just go ahead and explore different videos that are already generated by the community and the users. You can see these are all highly artistic and visually captivating videos that are generated by the community. You can generate your own as well. Now it can be as dramatic as this real-time scenario, or can be an animation, or can be any realistic artwork, anything. Just by providing a prompt, it will generate you beautiful videos that you can use in your professional, commercial, or personal projects. If you like this, probably you should start creating your own. So go ahead, join the subscription, and you can explore this app. Again, this is for the serious developers or content creators who want to use it. Thank you so much for joining in this episode. I hope you will take advantage of Midjourney AI in creating your own AI videos. If you want to get featured on Arc Tutorials, write to me at surya.aradhya@gmail.com. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.